It's been a minute, hasn't it, since you've seen this hoopty? But here it is. Give you the wide view, baby. Give you the wide angle. Here she is. Ain't talked about it much because, frankly, there hasn't been much to talk about. And let's be honest, it's a pretty damn slow car, all things considered. But should be a little bit quicker now. It's been down for a while, but thanks to the good folks at Tick Performance, put a Tick Performance cam kit, one of those big, all-in-one bundles you get there with lifters and push rods and springs and all that good stuff. But yeah, it's got still a stock bottom end LS2 car. Had a set of 823s just laying around from another engine we got from somewhere else. So went ahead and decided the last minute, let's make things a little more complicated, and threw on a set of 823s, stock LS3 intake. And yeah, there she is, boys and girls. It's got the it's a Sentry cam. It's the Tick, I think it's a stage 2 or something like that. Sentry cam. It's actually the cam for cathedral ports, slightly different than the rec port cam, but it is yeah, it's on there. So it's running pretty good. Got it running about a week ago, and taking a few drives to kind of iron out some bugs and the usual little quirks here and there. But all in all, it's actually been really well. Nothing's come flying off. Car's not burst into flames yet, so I call that success. Here we are, of course, having to do our favorite thing and deal with this fantastic piece of software that is HP Tuners. Doing some updates here, full right. I guess when you go speed density, you gotta make some tweaks or you get some TCS issues. So basically, in order to tune the car properly, you've gotta augment the software because hooray, HP Tuners. There it goes. All right, let's turn this crap off. All right, yeah. So, yeah. That's why I hadn't seen a whole hell of a lot of it. Really, I haven't posted much of anything because this turd has been broken. But things, they are changing here. Got the Trans Am, black Trans Am, all done. And like I said, we got this one ironed out and running now. Got to get Twinkle Toes, a Smurf up there, worked out. And then we can go ahead and pull this guy. It's been over 3 years since this poor bastard has run. Right? Yay. So, yeah, that's looking forward to getting this guy lined out, get it running. Got a nice little turbo setup from Southern Chassis Works. Just got to see Mike's work down there. It's phenomenal. And yeah, so that's what's been going on here, man. Like I said, I'm pretty excited to see how this thing turns out here. I don't think it's gonna make a whole ton of power. It's still a stock bottom LS2 car, so it's it's got its limitations there. Interestingly enough, we found out by running the serial number on this guy. This is actually this tells you how old this kit is. So this kit, what was on this car was an ECS kit, and I say it was an ECS. It was an old ECS kit. This is like Stone Age old single belt kit. And you know what? Give them credit where credit's due. It ran for a good long while on that old kit. But taking it apart, it was very clear with every 10 different spacers and washers and stuff flying out of it. This thing was never going to go back together. So I made the decision to go ahead and upgrade to this really cool, fancy A&A drive kit. This black updated drive kit with the dedicated drive over here for the accessories. Probably not going to be able to see it, but it's got Innovators West balancer down there. But anyways, everything's updated. The only thing that's still original is the actual blower here. We like I mentioned, ran the serial number in this thing. It turns out it's not even a TI trim as we'd expected, as we thought it was. This is actually an old T trim, a really old T trim. Like T is a Model T. Like Henry Ford tested this blower, so it's old, but it's gonna be some updates coming. I'm thinking Vortec does sell the updated covers. The updated TI cover, a new volute there. Probably go with a black one. Go with a new cover and a new wheel. John Bond has a billet wheel he'll go ahead and install for you. So I figure it's probably the path we'll take, I don't know, a few months from now. Send the blower out, get a new cover installed, a new billet wheel from Bond, get it rebuilt, and shoot, I'll probably pick up another 60 plus the wheels. This thing might actually be able to keep up with some traffic now. So yeah, that's all. It's all good stuff. Like I said, we're working on the tune. Right flash, right, repeat, rinse, whatever, 800 times, because HP. But that should be done here pretty soon. I already got drivability down, just a couple drives, not too far off from where it was, and hopefully we'll see some numbers on this thing here really soon. So yep, that's what's been going on here in the jungle. 2 Century cars coming up soon, and then we get into the actual fast guy stuff. This guy right here, not that one, but this one. We want to go fast after all. So stay tuned, more coming up.